You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I am the Phoenix. Behold my cosmic might.
This is what the professor trained me for since I was just a child.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
It's rare to find a creature with teeth as sharp as ours. Use them well, and perhaps you will be one of the few to survive this world.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Whatever you say, Galactica.
No, it's Galacta, daughter of Galactus, you idiots!
Cosmic flame! Taste my fury.
Double KO!
Really turning up the heat.
Let's play a game!
Turning up the heat. You have been judged unworthy.
Double KO! That's 3! Everybody needs a hit.
Lands to the slaughter.
Turning up the heat. You finished the job well. And I was holding back.
Ways, Clint. Hell yeah.
I feel like I'm being watched.
Stand down! Sonic boom!
Behold the God of Thunder!
Cosmic flame. You are nothing.
We are
This is real firepower! Never miss!
Cosmic flame.
time!
Fear Magneto!
A thousand gods!
Alright, Dagger. Just embrace the light. Double KO! There you are. That's 3! Go! Throw of life! Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Alright, Tiger. Double KO!
Consider your circuits fried, Ultron.
That's 3!
You have been judged unworthy.
Wow, 4 in a row! Only 60 seconds left! Honey, Jeff told me the same thing. When you two dated!